All right, my friends, we are looking at a new wireless mic setup. This one's from our friends over at I don't know if it's Udfine, Udfine, Udfine. Gee, I'll call it probably different names throughout the video. One of them's probably right. That's that's it right here. It's their new Mic Active. So as you can see, it has a Lightning connector, a Type C connector, and a 3.5 TRS connector. So wireless microphone. So really, you could plug it into any phone. So with the Lightning, you could plug it into an older, let's say iPhone, USB-C, iPhones, tablets, Android phones, probably some computers, or you have the 3.5 millimeter. So again, you can plug this into full-size cameras and computers that actually have a 3.5 millimeter input jack, which again, really cool. So wide compatibility, dual channel recording, a one-click noise reduction, integrated charging, receiver design, and you get some other stuff there, right? Perfect for vlogging, interviewing, live streaming, and video recording. So we're gonna test it. I'm actually going to, I don't know, maybe we'll connect it into this one, possibly camera wise, right? Um, just to see how well it functions. I like that the box is nice and small, and I like that more and more cameras nowadays, even like little action cameras. Maybe I'll try it with an action camera. Maybe we'll see. Maybe an action camera that can take an external microphone. But yeah, even action cameras nowadays, most of them that have come out in the market, full support for like USB based microphones. So also excellent. There it is. Udfine, Udefine, you define. I don't know. You define. I guess that's it. You define. Again, I'm gonna call it whatever I want. That's probably not right. There we go. Nice little setup. So these are something. So let's take those out. So you are gonna get a little. I like that they actually said this. This is how you say our name. I'm gonna get it wrong throughout the video. Don't worry. Anyways, you get this, which is a little clip. That's magnetized, right? So that's your cold shoe mount right there. That's your USB-C to USB-A. That would be my guess, possibly for charging these pieces. Okay, there is your USB to 3.5 mil. So again, so primarily, of course, the mics are going to take USB-C, but these are basically converters so that you can take it into a 3.5 mil. All right, I'm down. And you get that is a little wind muff. I'm not going to take that out right yet. Don't need it. I'm not outside in the wind, but wind muff, right? And you get two of them. And you are going to get your little user manual. Okay, cool. Push that off to the side a little bit. And then we have the actual goodness. So these are tiny. 100%. That's quite the little box they're in for sure. Because it did say something about, oh, these are the little adapt. Oh, isn't that cool? These are like the phone adapters. Oh, I like that. So that one is, it looks like, USB-C to, yeah, so this one's USB-C to USB-C. You may be able to see that one. And this is USB-C to Lightning. So, for instance, if you had an older one that needed Lightning, then you have this, right? So this part, the Lightning would plug into your phone, and then it run around and give you USB-C. Now, I'm on a newer phone, so this is iPhone 16. So just so we can see this allows the receiver and everything to plug in. So these have little caps on them. And I hope that they're big enough. So this would plug in here. Oh yeah, plenty big. So this goes in here. Click, right? You can actually, this is kind of cool actually. This would plug into the receiver, but it also gives you another USB-C for charging. So you could actually keep your phone charged with this additional USB-C. And again, this one's going to be for your Lightning based phones, right? So that's cool because and again, this, if you just needed a computer, would be all you kind of need, right? USB-A to your USB-C. And that is tiny. That's everything. That's really cool. Like, I've seen some that have it, but they're getting smaller. This is about the same size as a Canon battery. So it's about the same size as my battery that goes in here. Look at that. Okay. That's pretty cool. And that has the two of them built right on it. So this is not just the receiver, but it's also like the charger for these. So simply, I think you just take these if you don't want them. Yeah, and they plug out. They just unplug. So that's your mic, right? Oh, they're just magnet based. There's no, I didn't need to push any buttons. I think that button is for turning on the noise reduction, right? And turning them on. So off it goes. Now, be aware if you're like, cool, I have this and I want to just throw it in my bag and I'll use it later. They do have these little connector stickers. So just kind of be aware of that. I don't know if there's like a right or a left in regards to these. Maybe they'll only, will they only stick one way? No, they'll go either way. So just kind of be aware. You can put them in however you want, which is good. And then this here. Come on now, that's pretty amazing, you know? So this does say how I guess which one it's connected to. Right now it says camera, right? There it would be phone. So if I wanted, let's say this one on the phone, I would take this. No, I got that wrong. I totally got that wrong. That's not where this goes. That's where this goes. That's where this piece goes. Yes. Right? So it does fit on there still. Now, if you have a thick case, as you can see, right? Thick case, you're gonna possibly want to maybe take your thick case off, because as you can see, right, it's got a bend to it. I'm gonna leave that there anyway, even though no, I shouldn't, because that's gonna put way too much pressure on it. So I'm gonna take that off. Be aware. I'm here to tell you, if you got a thick case, that's probably not gonna make you overly happy. So I'm gonna take that case off. This, of course, doesn't really matter. I don't think that's going on there. That's going there. Right. Now we're good. So it does have the ability to have a decent sized case, but not a huge case. This should be connected, right? It actually says both of these are connected. Yes, connected 1, connected 2. Doesn't really matter. I'll take this guy here. It's early in the morning, just so you guys know. I'm going to lay you down. I'll put you up here, and we'll just do a quick, what does this sound like off this? But I do have to say, I like this, right? I do like this piece. Just, I wish they just made it maybe a little thicker, just because some of us have, highly protected cases on there and stuff like that. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and I don't know if you guys had a chance to see that, but there was like a little mic adapter that came in. So there is a little arrow on this one, and I have this feeling that the arrow kind of means that this is the one that you guys may be able to see, a little tiny arrow right there, that's the side that actually goes into the phone. Okay, as far as I can tell. I've actually taken the other one and put it back on here so it can charge, so I only have the one. And let's go into, let's say, Blackmagic here. First off, just to see if it actually shows up. So under my settings, if we go here, is there anything? Yeah, so you'll see USB audio 1.0. Perfect. All right, so we're going to select that. Excellent. We're going to come back here. I'm going to hit the record button. And at this point in time, we should be recording using that microphone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you here in hopes that you don't fall over. There we go. It's a little high, but that's okay. And again, the premise here is that I should be able to wander around, right? So if I were to come up here and walk way back over here, because it's supposed to have a decent distance, you guys should still be able to hear me, right? I'm not going to go too far because I don't think most of us would be shooting that far anyway, but you do have some limits on distance and things like that. Just kind of be aware of it. Anyways, it is coming up, and it does look like, with Blackmagic at least, it's showing 2 channels, and it's showing that it is only coming out of the one channel, which is okay because I only have one of them. And if you had the second one on, it would come out of both channels, would be my guess. All right, so you guys should have heard the audio coming through my iPhone. So let's actually change it up a little bit, and we'll actually plug it into an action camera. Okay, I just gotta make sure everything's still running. Okay, so we have this. One of the newest ones, of course, that are out right now is this fella, right? This is the Insta360 Ultra. So, number one, I'm going to just take this apart for a second because I want to make sure this functions. And I have a card in here, which I don't think I do. No, all not. We're just going to pop a card in. Excellent. Yep, good. Pop. And of course, this one also has a USB-C on it, right? Now, these ones, of course, won't be able to connect. Well, actually, I am really curious now because this could be used with this. Even if I kept the screen up like this for vlogging, same thing. My guess is I have that little arrow somewhere. Where was that arrow? Arrow was somewhere there. So I'm going to say arrow in here. Click. Okay. And then same idea, this is, right, the receiver. So same idea, if I took this and just plugged it in here, I got kind of the same goodness. So if I turned you on, I'm curious, anything? What does it say? Does it detect that there's any kind of audio in here? Yeah, see, it does show a microphone, and I'm getting microphone readings. So that's working too. So same idea. I'm gonna hit record here. It's like super wide. Let's go into not as let's go to linear. All right, just maybe that's better. I don't know. Anyways, here we go. Let's try it. So we are in or using the actual Insta360 Go Ultra with the Udfine. It's Udfine, but again, I'll say it weird. And you guys can see or hear that this is the audio that's plugged in. So same kind of idea, right? I could take this now and put it somewhere. I don't know. I'll put it right there. There we go. That's good. And the same idea, right? If I walk around, I could go this way now. Bye-bye. Right? And go over here, continue to talk, and we should be still hearing the audio really good, is my guess. It's I'll take a listen to it before I finish up the video, but yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to stop this because that should be, again, a good enough audio sample for you guys. And so, here's kind of what I like. I think, we've been seeing all these companies, of course, coming out with these Bluetooth ones and et cetera, right, and all that. But I do have to say, I like how small this is, right? And I like this. They really took some thought into really trying to make it compatible with smartphones. But again, you could connect it with one of these dog cameras. You could connect it with, any of the, I want to say, action cameras now that accept USB audio. And when you're done, of course, you don't have to dig around. It's all kind of one piece. You just, boom, snap on at that point in time. Right? It does disconnect them, of course, so you're not going to be able to use these, not that you would, while they're in this phase. I don't think. You may be able to, right? Just for the fact that this would be plugged in directly, so that it could, continue on. It doesn't need that wireless connection. But again, you can see it here, right? As soon as they disconnect, boom. Oh, they did go blue. They did go blue the moment they were connected. So, yeah, maybe you can, right? It did show both channels. So it just shows them actually there. So even in this state, right, you guys may be able to see that. You see that they're flashing right now, channel 1 and channel 2. But then they go, I'm pretty sure they went solid blue. So you may have to give it a little bit of time. Anyways, you'll see that it shows that the little green lights are flashing on these, which my guess is that they are charging at this point. And it does come with, like I said, one USB charger. So this is to plug in primarily here. This is going to charge up the base part, which will charge these ones. So yeah, these are continuing to flash. So I don't think that you'll use it like this, right? Just pop it off. Anyways, that's really cool.
All right, before we wrap things up, let's talk a little more about the Udfine company, what this mic's all about, and who it's really made for. Udfine has been building some really solid creator gear lately. Compact, easy to use, and designed for people who just want great audio without the headache. They've been putting a lot of focus into small form factor, reliable wireless mics that can actually hold up to real world use, whether you're filming in the studio, out on a ride, or vlogging on the go. The Mic Active is their latest wireless mic system, and it's pretty slick. You're getting dual channel recording, real-time monitoring, and one-tap noise reduction, all packed into a setup that fits in your pocket. It's got about a 120 meter transmission range with really low latency, around 18 to 22 milliseconds, so your audio stays in sync even when you're moving around. Battery life is solid too, about 6 hours per mic, and the charging case extends that up to around 33 hours total, so you can record all day without stressing about power. It's also super versatile. You can run it with USB-C, Lightning, or 3.5 millimeter analog connections, which means it'll work with phones, cameras, or your laptop. And it's built for creators like us, people shooting interviews, travel content, podcasts, or just anyone who wants clean wireless audio that doesn't cost a fortune or take up half your camera bag. Here's a quick rundown of the specs for those of you who like the details. 44.1 kilohertz sampling rate, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz frequency response, over 70 decibels signal to noise ratio, and it runs in temps from -10 to plus 50 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it'll survive a Canadian winter shoot. The kit comes with 2 transmitters, the charging and receiver case, cables, adapters, a hot shoe mount, windscreens, and the manual, everything you need right out of the box.
All right, guys. Well, that's the Udfine wireless mic. If you guys are at all interested, I will leave links down below where you guys can pick it up. And that's it for today's video. All right, my friends, we will see you next time.